Welcome back, everyone. I'm sitting inside the AT4 Acadia once again. This I'm going to be showing you how to use the paddle shifters on the all-new Acadia. Let's get right in. This one's fairly loaded, but pretty cool. You got Super Cruise here. We're going to focus on these paddle shifters you got on the left and the right. So to really get into it, activating it, we're going to pull the shift knob and then push down to get into drive. Then to get into low gear, you're going to press this L with the gear around it. Low gear, a little funny, but then we're going to go ahead and move forward, and then just the shift, you tap back on it and it shifts, and tap back on it again and it shifts. And same thing as you go up, and it's an 8-speed automatic transmission where you have those low gears, and then say even come to a stop. Unlike a manual, you're not bogged down, so I just go ahead and go, and I've got it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it all the way back into first gear. You'll be able to see the RPMs go up, and then we can drop them by going into second gear. And then go back up, you got third, tap it again, fourth. And you have to be in low gear in order to use the paddle shifters. It's the only way to do it. And even if you forget to, downshift with the paddles, you can still come to a stop and not be bogged down. As soon as you put it into park, it stays in park. And it doesn't automatically revert back to low gear. If I put it into drive, it stays right there, and then you have to put it back into low gear once again. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all soon.